Bafethu umkhize lo lapha kwimbonga security ngine emergency la ngidinga professional supervisor ono grade B usira certificates competency driver's license no 1 year experience supervision and then futhi ngizokutrace lokho ngithole ukuthi kukhona yini anyone onazo zonke lezi zinto engiyidingayo ngicela angisendele i-CV yakhe nombolweni yami ku-WhatsApp 0766753469. It's an emergency. Anyone onale qualification engiyidingayo ngicela ngenzele njalo. Ngiyabonga.